All right, we're going to use the employees and departments tables again. Let's go over here. I'm just going to grab the top 1,000 rows of the employees table, and we know there's only 20. And let me look at the departments table. I'll select the top 1,000 rows of that too. And we can see all 8 of those. So just a quick way to do it without having to type anything. If we look at departments, department ID, we can see down here, Kimberly Grant does not have a department. Her department ID is null. Let's look at the departments table. And you can see that the contracting department doesn't have a manager. Interesting. So we're going to look at some of those things as we do these next joins. Let's start with, we'll do a select statement. And I hope you are typing these commands in with me. You know I could copy and paste these commands in and talk about them. I'd like to type them in, and I'm not real fast at typing, especially when I am talking on videos at the same time. I want you to type them along with me so that you can get used to the commands and typing them and using correct syntax and capitalizing the right things. So I hope that you are doing that. We'll get the department name. Notice I'm using table aliases even though I haven't created them yet. Let's also get the department ID. Okay, now this is the one. Department ID exists both in the employee table and the departments table. So it's ambiguous. Which one do I want to get it out of, and does it matter? It really probably doesn't matter. So we'll take it out of the departments table. If you want to experiment after we get this done, go back and run it with an E there instead of a D. See if you get different results. Let's do, we'll take things from the employees table, which we called E. And we're going to, let's just do join for now. Departments D on. And I indent my on. You really don't have to indent your on. It's probably okay either way. I like to do it. If you saw the last video on multiple table joins, it keeps things a little more neat, in my opinion. E department ID. Equal to the departments table dot department ID. And oh, I have some atrocious spelling up here. That fixed it. We'll execute it. We've seen this one before. It joins the employee to their department. Just out of curiosity, if I change the E, this D to an E, will it make a difference? It did not. All right. But notice it's only showing me 19 employees. Who's missing? We already decided that when we looked back here at our employees table. Kimberly Grant doesn't have a department. So we're not seeing all of our employees. We only see on an inner join, which all the joins we've done so far, basically, most of the joins we've done so far have been inner joins. When we do an inner join, which is what this is, we don't use the word inner when we do it. We just do join. Inner join only pulls out the things that have matches. So we only see the things in the left table that have matches in the right table. Okay. Now we're going to change this to an outer join because we want to see all our employees, even if they don't have a department. So I'm going to come up here, and I want to see all of the people from the employees table, even if they don't have a matching department. So I am going to change this to a left outer join. Okay, so I told you regular joins are inner joins. When we just do a simple join on with equality, we're doing an inner join. We're doing a left outer join. And left outer join means show me everything from the left table, even if it doesn't have a match. Let's hit execute. Now I see all 20 of my employees. There's Grant down there that does not have a match. She does not have a department name, a department assigned to her. So we see all 20 of our employees. Likewise, let's see if there's departments that don't have people assigned to them. Don't remember if there is or not. Let's change this to right outer join. Right outer join departments. Right now we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 departments. And I believe there are 8 departments. So we're not seeing the 8th department there. And get back on the right query. That was it right here. So I change it to right outer join. That means I want to see everything from the right table, which is the departments table, even if it doesn't have a match in the employees column. So is there any departments that don't have employees? I want to see all the departments no matter what. To execute. And now I can see that the contracting department has nobody assigned to it. No, there are no matching people that are assigned to the contracting department. It's an empty department. Okay. So left outer join shows me everything in the left table, whether it has a match or not. A right outer join shows me everything in the right table, even if it doesn't have a match. And there's one left, and that is a full outer join. And you can almost guess what it does. Okay. A full outer join shows me everything from the left table, even if it doesn't have a match, and everything from the right table, even if it doesn't have a match. But it also matches up the ones that do have matches. So let's execute that. So now we can see Grant, who doesn't have a department, and we can also see contracting that doesn't have any employees. So those are outer joins. We have left outer join, shows us left table stuff, right outer join, which shows us all the right table stuff, and a full outer join, which shows us both. But it's not a cross join. It still looks for the matches. And we have one more video after this.